Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell about how to program RCA universal remote to TV. For here I will explain the few methods. Please keep watching this video. Here I tell about using the manual programming method for how to program RCA universal remote to TV. For this, first step is plug the power cable into the wall socket and turn on TV by pressing the power button. Ensure that there are batteries in the RCA universal remote as well. There should be a button labeled TV on the remote. Press and hold it down while pointing the remote toward the TV. Let go button once the LED remote lights up. From the code list, select code for your TV and enter it using the numeric pad. If the lights turn off after you have entered the code, it means that was accepted and programming was successful. However, if the LED blinks twice, it means the code was incorrect. You will have to repeat the process with another code that till LED turns off. You have to enter the last digit. I'll explain second method, that is called program the remote without codes. For this, first step is open power on your TV and point the RCA remote towards to it. Hold down the TV and the power button on the same till time LED turns on, and then you can let go on the keys. After that, press the play key while pointing the remote toward the TV and wait 5 seconds. If the TV turns off, then press the reverse key to see if it comes back on. If the TV doesn't turn off, keep pressing the play key till it does. When your TV turns back on, press the stop key to save the settings, and after that RCA universal remote should be work seamlessly. Now here I will tell one more method, that is called use the code search. For this, turn on the TV and point the remote at the TV. Press and hold the code search button and LED light should be turned on. If you are programming for a TV, press the TV key, and for the other device, press the respective button and LED should light up once and then stay on. After that, press the power button once and let go and see if the device turns off. You might need to keep pressing the power button till the right course is found. Once it is found, the TV will turn off, and then you have to press the enter key to save the code, and the power light should be turned off.